Hey guys, doing and welcome to another Arca Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the bonnet or hood handle on Alfa Romeo 159 Brera or Spider. Now this is the donor car. I'm going to be removing this handle and putting it on the other car. To do that I have to remove these two 8mm screws. Actually I'm gonna start there, and lastly I'm gonna remove the cable. As I just said, these are 8mm screws, so I'm gonna use my spinner handle and small 8mm socket. Alright, here comes the tricky part, and that is removing the cable which is connected to the hood latch. I'm gonna push these two plastic clips down. There is one on each side, and I'm gonna pull out the cable. One thing that I gotta warn you about now, as you might already know, these plastics are very brittle and you can easily break some of them. I got one more on the other side. I'm just gonna push it down, and I'm gonna pull out the cable. Just like that. Now to remove the cable altogether, there is one more clip which holds this metal piece in place. So I'm gonna have to push that clip down and pull the cable out. There it is. And that is basically it. Now installation process is gonna be the reverse of what you just saw. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.